YouTube uses a system called Content ID that helps copyright owners protect their music. When you upload a new video to your channel, YouTube automatically checks for matching music in its Content ID database. If it finds a match, you may get a copyright claim. In most cases, you'll get an email from YouTube stating there's a claim from the copyright holder, but it won't mention Adobe Stock by name. Here are the steps you'll need to take to clear the copyright claim from YouTube. Start by logging into your account at stock.adobe.com. Then, click on your account ID in the upper right corner of the web page and click on License History. Song titles are only displayed when hovering over the song thumbnail. Find the track in question and then hover over the info icon in the license column. Copy the license code to your clipboard. Next, log into your YouTube account. Click your user account icon in the upper right corner and select YouTube Studio. On the left side of the page, click on Videos to see all of your YouTube uploads. Now you'll locate the video that is flagged for copyright claim. Look at the restrictions column to see which videos have the flag. Note that you can upload your video as unlisted and clear the copyright claim before you publish to avoid any delays to your YouTube monetization. When you hover over the words copyright claim, you'll click the link that reads See Details. Now you should have a pop-up window inside YouTube Studio. You need to be sure that the license code you copied back in step 1 is for the exact music cue you're disputing here. Videos may have multiple copyright claims in them, and you will need to repeat this process for each song. On the right side of the screen, click on the link that says Select Action, and in the submenu that appears, choose Dispute. Now you're ready to demonstrate that you've got the license to use this song. Click the checkbox that reads, My dispute isn't based on any of the reasons above. I would still like to dispute this Content ID claim. Then click Continue in the lower right. On the next screen, select the option next to License and click Continue. Now review the requirements and confirm you've got permission. Check the box that indicates, I have permission to use the content from the copyright owner, and click Continue. Now you're ready to paste in the license code you copied to your clipboard back in step 1. This is the final dispute screen on YouTube. Paste in the license code and don't add any other text to this field. Then check the boxes next to the 3 statements about the copyright claim. Finally, enter your first and last name in the signature box and click the Submit link in the lower right corner. That's it. YouTube should resolve the copyright issue pretty quickly, and your video will be ready for the world to see and hear.